Ever wish you could reframe any of your photos and make them look even better? With the new iOS 27 Spatial Reframe tool, you can do it in seconds. Let's take a look at how it works. First, you should know that this feature only works on the iPhone 15, 16, 17 Pro, Pro Max models after iOS 27 update. Now, to get started, open the Photos app and select the photo you want to reframe. Next, tap Edit. Then choose the new Tool option. You'll see a few different choices here. Tap Reframe. Your iPhone will take a moment to analyze the photo and identify areas that can be expanded. Once it's ready, simply touch and drag the image to reposition it however you like. If your subject feels too close to the edge or you want a wider looking shot, this is where you can adjust it. The tool is surprisingly flexible, so feel free to experiment until it looks the way you want. When you're happy with the framing, tap Reframe and give it a few seconds to process the image. After it's finished, you can tap the photo to quickly compare the original version with the reframed one and see the difference. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap the check mark, then tap Done to save your changes. And that's it. Your newly reframed photo is ready to view, save, and share. Thanks for staying tuned till the end.